smoke, ladies and gentlemen. It's a sprint challenge. As Mike Wiskus goes up head-to-head against Shockwave, the triple engine jet truck. 2,000 power, ladies and gentlemen. I believe we're going to have it. Shockwave, triple engine jet truck. Yes, Shockwave. Sorry, Shockwave. Belching smoke out of the exhaust on the Shockwave, ladies and gentlemen. Shockwave brought to us by Courtesy Car City and Kimberly Car City. Thank you, Courtesy and Kimberly, once again for making the appearance of Shockwave possible here. And oh, by the way, thank you for the Jeep Heavy Commander that I'm driving here at the Quad City Airshow. What an awesome vehicle. This thing's got a navigation system and a Boston sound system. You wouldn't believe it. Unbelievable. Go see our friends at Courtesy and Kimberly Car City after the air show for some of the shows, some of the cars that the performers here are driving at the Quad City Air Show. I'm sure they'd love to make you a heck of a deal. Down at the far left-hand side of our show line, ladies and gentlemen, Shockwave, almost invisible. Ken Shockley at the controls. I sometimes the starter tells Shockwave, and Shockwave just sits there. I think he's intimidated by Mike Wiskus. He can possibly beat him. I think for Mike, he's giving nothing up in the Lucas Oil Pit Special. Ken Shockley spots him about a quarter of a mile, it looks like. I don't think there's any way that shows that it runs straight up in the sky. He's home belching out of the exhaust of that beautiful Lucas Oil Pit Special. He rolls on the vertical line, keeping his aircraft exactly perpendicular to the ground. That is the type of skill and precision that make him an aerobatic competitor extraordinaire and the champion in so many aerobatic competitions. As he comes off the top,